In today's video, I will show you how to get rid of the Quick Edit feature in Google Photos on your Android device. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Once you are on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Photos Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Sharing. In the Sharing Settings menu, you will see a toggle for Quick Edit before sharing. Simply switch this toggle to the off position. By disabling this, you will skip the extra editing screen and go straight to your sharing options when you send a photo to another app. This is perfect if you prefer to edit your photos beforehand or just want to speed up your sharing process. And that's it. That's how you disable Quick Edit in Google Photos. Thank you for watching.